Welcome back, YouTube, to another episode of Fast Car Checks. Happy New Year, all of that, yeah, as it is the new year, 2025. Hope all of you had a good Christmas, good New Year. But today, we're not here to talk about New Year, we're here to talk about this old school Toyota Starlet. This is a one-off-one car as well, fully built. A lot of time and details gone into this car, so we're going to bring in the owner and he's going to tell you a little bit more about this car. So Ethan, welcome to the channel then. Do you want to tell us a little bit about your Toyota Starlet?
Yeah, so here we've got a Glanza V, Toyota Starlet, fully built engine, everything's been done, gearbox, clutch, 1996, fully built engine, big turbo, pushing big power. Everything's been done to this car, not a thing hasn't been touched.
Yeah. Okay, this is your own build, so you've built some of it yourself, or have you had someone else?
It's been about 50-50 really, so I built some of it. I had a rolling shell, put all the engine in, done the bottom end. Then my good friends of mine, SSA Performance, have done a lot of the work, all the mapping. Yeah.
Your friends helped you?
Yeah. So this car's been 50-50 really. I started off with a rolling shell, put the engine in, fully built the bottom end, SSA Performance done the rest of the work, big turbo, all the mapping, gave me a lot of help during this build.
Okay, sweet. So this is a 1996 car, right? And obviously when was you born? Sorry.
So I was born in 2006.
Yeah, so the fact that obviously this car is 10 years older than you, it's quite an interesting thing, because most young lads, you know, BMWs, Audis, Volkswagens and so on, obviously Japanese cars as well, they don't really make them like this no more. So to get in behind the wheel or something like this, you know, tell us about the power. What sort of power is it then?
So currently now we're on a TD04 hybrid turbo, custom, 21 teeth, and it's pushing 307. 307. Yeah.
And how much do these weigh?
About, I want to say about 800 kilos. Wow. as it is.
Yeah. So absolute power to weight ratio right now on this is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. So like I said, we're gonna have a little spin round for you guys, put some B-rolls in it, and we're gonna get out in the Toyota Starlet. Glanza,
that's it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then sweet. Yeah, come on. Yeah, so 2025, as I said, we're starting it off with a bang. As I said, my guy Ethan, active in the Toyota Starlet. So when you're ready, bro, let's go for a little drive and see what this thing's saying, man. Yeah, madness. And obviously, as I said, 1996, so this car is what, 28, is it? 28 years old? Okay, no. It's a lot, yeah, it's a lot, isn't it? Yeah, 20, wow, yeah, what, 28 years old, isn't it? Carnage, this is, isn't it? What's it grip like on the way? Well, it's quite damp today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite, it's not great, in all honesty, not great at all,
kilometers a mile an hour. What I just said then? Yeah, I was questioning my life decisions then, bro.
Oh, scatty, mate.
Yeah. But no, fair play to it, man. And you said, so was your old car, you said was your auntie's car?
Yeah, so it was my old car, that was my auntie's car.
Yeah.
And then I broke that off stupidly, drove it through floods, hydrolocked it.
Yeah.
Then took the engine out, rebuilt it by that. Yeah.
And then now you've rebuilt it with this, is it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, yeah. And the way this car kicks in as well, old school. These cars are so rare, because I think even when they was around, they were still quite a rare beast.
Oh, definitely.
You know what I mean? Like 24, 28 years later, mate, yeah, you've done well to get this, man. And the condition, we didn't get underneath the bonnet either.
No, we didn't.
We'll have to go and do that when we stop anyway.
Yeah,
this is mad.
That's right. Definitely a bit scatty, but...
Yeah. What, man? This is beast, isn't it, man? 307. So this is basically a Golf R S3 sort of engine
lot of things it shouldn't.
Yeah. And the way it just picks up as well. Obviously, there is a lot of spinning.
Yeah.
But like once it gets gripping, it moves, doesn't it?
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah, it moves.
Turbo comes on so nice as well. I think it comes on so smooth.
Yeah. What turbo's on here?
Studio 4 hybrid. I'm pretty sure it's off some Subaru. I think it might be an Impreza. I'm not too sure. Might be wrong. I know it's off Subaru. This was custom built like 2012, so it's capable of a bit more power.
Yeah.
Standard.
Wow. Yeah, man. And fair play to you building it yourself as well. Because obviously you're a mechanic, then I'm guessing.
No, actually, no, I'm an electrician.
Okay.
Yeah. So just doing a bit of side for it, really.
Yeah. So just you and the mates in the garage, just cracking on with it there. Yeah. You come up with something special, man. This is beast.
Yeah, cheers, man.
So have you got plans to do anything more to it? Or are you at a stage where you think?
I would love to, but obviously the money side of things now is just through the roof.
Yeah.
I would love to, put a nice cage in it, get all the sensors, everything else like customly. I'd love to do all that, but I don't know what the future holds yet. So
Yeah.
Sure.
It all adds up, innit?
Yeah, definitely.
It all adds up, man. 100%. So we're on kilometres, right?
Yeah, that's the
So
kilometers, yeah.
I'm just saying, we're not saying that's what we're doing, but what is 180 kilometres then?
180, I'm pretty sure it's 150.
50, okay, yeah.
This does go back to zero.
Yeah.
It does go back to zero on the
Yeah.
clocks.
And I'm only saying that just because of the fact that obviously that's where the max is out on the thing, innit?
Yeah.
On the dash here, so. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Wow. Bro, this sounds mad, Jay. Bro, this sounds mad, yeah? Give me some more of that anti-lag, bro, the bangs. Yeah, come on, this car's crazy, yeah? We've got this 1996 Starlet GT Turbo kicking out some crazy madness, yeah? So let's get back into this then. Let's get back into this, bro. This car is an absolute weapon of fucking choice, bro. Bro, this is kicking out some mad shit, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fucking mental, mate, honestly.
Wow. The fire that just let off then, bro. Big smoker. Yeah, but you're proud of this build, man, innit?
Definitely, man, definitely.
The way the flames just let off, you wouldn't want to be stood behind there, innit?
Definitely not.
Yeah. Yeah. But how it is as well, bro, is bad.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, just gonna go for a little tear. 5 years, yeah?
Yeah.
You know what, I've been in the car 5 years for a minute, bro, but yeah. Respect, bro.
Cheers, man.
As I said, first POV drive now. Toyota Starlet. Oh yeah, third, yeah, see, yeah.
Bit temperamental, isn't it?
No, I was going that locked down.
Oh,
Yeah, so the turbo, it's like an old school turbo, innit? It gives you everything, innit?
Yeah, 100%, man.
Gives you everything it works. when I was 18, there was more of these around. Let's just say that, yeah.
Definitely.
And this was the sort of car, like, I can't even explain. It's probably like the modern day. When I say one M140, I don't mean like the nature of the car, like
I know what you mean.
power and the big. I'm on about like that was like what was in. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely.
Saxos and that, but this was like the cream of the crop. What the hell? Yes. Got to be careful because, like I said, it drags you on the other side, don't it?
Yeah, it's lethal.
What a beast, man. They don't make them like this no more.
She's raw, old school.
Yes, brother. So yeah, man, listen, we're in the Starlet GT Turbo Glanza, yeah?
That's the one.
307 brake horsepower, yeah, listen. Drop the box, yeah, ready? A lot of talks there going on, but yo. Yes, come on. If you don't know, yeah, Toyota Glanza, Starlet GT. Yeah, this is madness. Madness. The turbo, like you said, it's low down, isn't it? It's
Yeah,
like
definitely.
you have to proper know this car though, innit?
Yeah,
Like I
it's
said,
a lot to learn.
yeah, it's not something you can just get in and just pedal straight away, is it?
No, even when I got back, I'm still learning. I still
Yeah.
will be learning.
Yeah.
It's a lot, to say the least.
It is, man. Like I said, it's a battle, but
Yeah.
I like it. Make no mistake, I like it. But like I said, man, it's definitely one of them ones you got to be prepared for.
Yeah.
Like now, if I said this is a car, I'll wait. But it's like now, that there goes to the left and the right. It's like there's a bit of flow to it, innit?
Yeah,
You
definitely.
kind of got to feel it in
Yeah.
and then go with it.
Yeah.
And you've got a 5-speed gearbox as well, so you go through the gears quite quick.
Oh, yeah,
and
that's
get
much,
there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it annoys me. Can't
What?
move it properly first and
Yeah.
second. Just in, out,
Yeah,
in, out.
yeah,
in,
yeah,
out.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
What's it like cornering? And I'm not gonna try it, but I'm about.
Oh, I haven't tested it. Not properly. No. I'm waiting for a track.
Yeah,
Let's try it out properly.
we can get out of this
Yeah.
corner.
Obviously, when it goes round, I don't know about the scatcher.
It's a bit nice still. There's a bit of like, you know what I mean? There's a bit of trickery to it,
Yeah, definitely.
but you definitely gotta just hold it as you're going round, I guess, isn't it?
Yeah, 1,000%.
Shit, man. That's sick car. So yeah, we're gonna do the 0 to 60 now. Ethan's gonna do it. As soon as we move it, it'll go. So whenever you're ready, bro, hit it. Okay, so you got a 7 seconds flat. Like I said, to be fair, with the manual and stuff like that, it makes sense. A lot of spin, boost, and all the rest of it. Probably could have got a little bit more if we kept going and going, but we'll leave it there just because they like slowly capture us. But listen, bro, it's been a pleasure
Appreciate it, man.
getting in this car, man.
Definitely,
110%. This is a hell of a machine, man. If anybody watching, where can they fund you?
Ethan.EP91 on Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, you've got all the bills to
Yeah,
go
yeah,
up
all on there, mate.
Yeah. What a car, bro. What a legend.
Appreciate it, man.
Big him up still. The car's 10 years older than him as well. So, yeah, unique little set in here, man. But, yeah, but to the next one, know the vibes.